Hi there, this is Khalid Abrar. Welcome to Phonics. In this video, we are going to talk about the American R-colored vowel as in the word first. You can also hear this sound in the words like girl, her, learn, and word. We will be using a special phonetic symbol for this sound. American English is known for its R-colored vowels. You can't speak like an American if you don't know how to pronounce them correctly. So what exactly are the R-colored vowels? Let's take these two words. Their spelling differ by only one letter, the letter R. However, there is a dramatic difference as how they are pronounced. Listen, first. Did you notice that the vowel sounds are different? The vowel in the word first is the E sound, and the vowel in the first is the sound. Let's take a closer look at how the word first is spelled. See how the consonant R comes after the letter I. In American English, when the R follows a vowel in the same syllable, it forms a new sound called an R-colored vowel. In the word first, this R-colored vowel is pronounced as Note that the is not a variation of the I vowel or the consonant. It's a distinct sound of American English. Check out a few more pairs of words. Lean, learn, bun, burn, he, her, one word. Did you notice what these words have in common? Despite being spelled with different vowel letters, these words have the same R-colored vowel sound, Also notice that the is used in stressed syllables only. What happens in the weak syllables, like in the word teacher? The has a weak counterpart, the R-colored vowel We will talk about this sound in the next video. And now, let's focus how to make the sound. Pronunciation of the R-colored vowel is similar to the R consonant. To make the sound, open your mouth a little and leave your lips neutral, or round them slightly. The is a tense vowel sound, so your mouth, tongue, and throat should be tense when you pronounce it. Raise the front of your tongue towards the alveolar ridge, behind your upper front teeth, but don't touch it. Curl back the tip of your tongue. Now slightly lower the center of your tongue and raise its back. Note that your tongue should be very tense. Remember, the tip of your tongue should be curled back and it should never touch the alveolar ridge behind your upper front teeth. Now, let's try saying it. Now let's practice the sound in some words. You'll see a word on the screen and hear its pronunciation. Like this, bird. You'll have a few seconds to pronounce the word. Try to repeat each word after me and try to copy the pronunciation as best as you can. Let's begin. Burst, clerk, curl, curve, dirt, earth, firm, fur, herd, learn, nurse, pearl, purse, serve, shirt, serve, turn, work, world. Let's pause for a second and check how you are making the R sound. The tip of your tongue should be curled back and raised towards the alveolar ridge behind your upper front teeth. Your tongue and your throat should be tense. Let's continue practicing. Attorney, certain, circumstance, courage, desert, encourage, furniture, hurricane, internal, journey, nervous, observe, perfect, personal, purpose, research, service, thirsty, universe, virgin. You're done. Congratulations. In American English, any time in any word, when you see the vowel followed by the letter R in the same syllable, you have an R-colored vowel sound. The R-colored vowel sound as in the word first or circle, occurs only in stressed syllables. The has a weak version. The R-colored vowel as in the word teacher or color, that's used in unstressed syllables. By the way, did you know that the tense and the weak are the only R-colored monophthongs? This means that the and the are single distinct sounds. All the other R-colored vowels are diphthongs, and there is even a triphthong. Take a look. Ear, as in clear, air, as in care, R, as in card, or, as in corn, and ire, as in fire. Awesome it is. We'll talk about these sounds in our next lesson. Hit the like button if you like the video. Do share and subscribe the channel, and also hit the bell icon for the next video. God bless.